DIYers, what's up? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Hey, thanks for watching. We're talking Anderson sliding glass doors today. We're going to show you how to replace the thumb latch. DIYers, here we are at the sliding glass door. Again, this is an Anderson window branded sliding glass door. And here is the thumb latch. You see the AW on it. And in the event that your thumb latch is completely broken or very loose, it's time to replace that. So make sure it's in the unlocked position. Go ahead and open the door. And you've got a Phillips screw on top and bottom. Let's go and remove those. I've now repositioned the camera and I'm doing my best to give you good light and a good view of removing this thumb latch. So bear with me, there's a lot of sunlight on the back side. Again, Phillips screws, one on top, one on bottom, and carefully remove each of them. Check that out. Now to the bottom. And after you pull that bottom screw out, you can carefully pull the thumb latch out. And be very careful, on the back side is this little shaft here, and it is lubricated with WD-40 or grease, and that is by design. To the new thumb latch, and down below in the comments section as well as description section is a link on where to purchase a brand new replacement thumb latch. And let's go install it. I might actually spray this with WD-40 or grease, again on the shaft prior to installing it. Back to the door, and I just got a wet piece of Kleenex. I'm cleaning the underside where the latch was up just a bit. Next, take a second and look inside this hole so you can see the actual orientation of the slot that shaft slides into. It's kind of at an angle, so when it comes time to install the new thumb latch and slide that shaft into the hole, you want to make sure it's aligned. So again, with the new latch, as you see here, AW Anderson windows, and again the rear shaft, and here is how I have this positioned. I've got the thumb latch in the open position, and I'm going to carefully shift this in while looking in the hole, and that shaft is aligned, and I will carefully push this flush with the door. And now it's time to resecure the Phillips screws. And one last quick glance at it to ensure that it's straight prior to securing both screws. Do not over tighten these, but you want them snug. Next, check the operation of the latch. And here it is in the closed and locked position. You can see the lock latch or hook. Here it is in the open position, and the hook or latch is fully stowed. And that works perfect. Next, you want to ensure that your latch works as designed. And in the lock position, now to the unlock position. Perfect. And DIYers, that is it. Let's take a closer look at the latch itself. And in the event that your sliding glass door is having trouble locking, you may want to adjust your actual locking mechanism on this side. And down below in the comment section as well as description section is a link to a video that shows how to do that. Definitely check that out. However, if you look in here and it's completely bent, damaged, and in a condition where it's basically unfixable, scrolling above right now is a link to a video that shows us replacing this entire latch as well as the door side. All of this will be brand new. Definitely check that out. We hope this helped. Hey, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.